India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students aspiring to build a career in the electrical installation and power distribution sector, CTS offers the trade of wireman. From residential buildings and commercial complexes to industries and infrastructure projects, skilled wiremen play a key role in ensuring safe, reliable, and efficient electrical connections every day. In this 2-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, wiring accessories, and real workshop environments. Students learn electrical wiring installation, control panel wiring, domestic and industrial wiring systems, fault diagnosis, safety procedures, earthing systems, and practical troubleshooting through industry-standard tools and workshop-based training. Trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across construction companies, hotels, smart city projects, industrial facilities, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. Azharuddin's joined ITI Abu Road and pursued the wireman trade. Instead of waiting for opportunities, he created one for himself by starting his own electrical and refrigeration shop. He is building his own identity, earning respect through his skills, and proving that ITI education can empower young people to create their own path to success. Learn today, lead tomorrow.